Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, can I get an assurance from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, that, considering the fact that this dispensary caters to a very large area with livestock farming and it is very important for that area, so can I get an assurance from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, that it will be fully functional soon and the staff will be sanctioned and provided at the earliest?
Sir, the process is on. As I've already replied, so, the department is working out, and wherever not only this particular sub-center, we have quite a number of sub-centers where there is no permanent sanction post. So therefore, department concern is moving these issues very fast, and once the sanction is accorded, I'm very sure we will be able to make it fully functional. Yes, sir, I do agree with the concern of the honourable member for this.